Okay, so we're also launching our brand new fixed installation package called Drone, which you can see up above us here. This features an 8-inch subwoofer in the center with four 4-inch satellites attached around the outside there. This is available as one full package, like the full range pendant, or you can have the individual 4-inch satellites wall mount version or a pendant version of those as well. We're also launching a garden version. The whole system is IP56 rated for outdoor. And we have a mushroom style subwoofer for the garden, and then the same satellites on little spikes to go in the ground as well. So these are available in black or white, and the garden version is available either in brown or in a British racing green color as well. It's a great solution to pair with our new DP4035i amplifier, and it kind of brings Wharfedale Pro a bit more into the commercial, residential and hospitality audio sector. So we're really excited to be launching this for you guys today. Thank you.